everyone, I'm Scott from Sharkey's Greenhouses, and today's job is I'm going to go through and replace some of this old plywood and the plastic from the roof on the greenhouse with hard polycarbonate plastic paneling. And this is a twin wall polycarb. It's 8 millimeters thick. We really love this. We put polycarb along the sides of our greenhouses last summer. Absolutely loved it. Loved that it really retained the heat a lot better. So we're going to be finishing up and doing some of those problem areas that we didn't address last summer. So that's the job of the day, and go ahead and follow along with us as we take you through this process. You can see that I have all of the plywood off of here, and this is all exposed, and the next step is going to be going through and putting this aluminum channel in, and that way I'm going to go through and get this nice and level. And what will happen is that gives me a nice level surface that the polycarb can sit into that. This does need to drain because we have a lot of moisture in a greenhouse. And you can see this runs up and down like this. You cannot put the polycarb sideways because that moisture will get trapped. It has to go up and down so that the moisture can drain down. And this channel here, the aluminum channel, that will give that an area that that liquid can drain down and get out of there, so it's not sitting on the wood. So that's my next step, is to go through and get these channels nice and level, but then I will start on putting up the polycarb. All right, I have the bottom polycarb on. This was the easy part because it was all straight cuts. Now we get into the more difficult, the upper pieces, the upper panels. These all have to be cut to match the arc of the greenhouse, so it's a lot more work. It's a lot putzier of a job. So we have to get this marked and then cut it and get it to fit in so that everything is nice and tight, so that the air and the moisture doesn't get into the greenhouse, or the heat from inside doesn't get out. So we have this project all buttoned up, and again, the polycarbonate panels, they let in a lot more sunlight, and they're also more efficient as far as holding that heat into the greenhouse where we need it. You know, one of our biggest costs is heating in the winter, especially up here in northern Wisconsin, so that's a big factor for us. We noticed last year that putting these panels on the side of the greenhouses, so you can see the sides here, I went all the way down. It really did help hold that heat in. The biggest challenge was getting these smaller panels up above where that arc is and getting that correct, and then getting them up underneath that flashing. That was a little bit of a challenge, but I'm glad that it's all done now, and we can go through winter and be rest assured that everything will stay in place and hold that heat in. So thanks for joining us on this little project.